Welcome to Treasure Valley Community College. In this tutorial video, you will learn how to apply for admission as a dual credit student. All information needed for dual credit is found at the college website, tvcc.cc, as you see in my address bar. Once you're at the college website, at the very top, there's a link to apply now. I'm going to click that link. And then at the admissions page, on the left-hand side, there's a variety of information or pages to go to. I'm going to go to dual credit programs. And once at dual credit programs, there's a blue button in the middle of the page, dual credit application, and that'll take me to the dual credit page, or the admissions page. Once I'm there, there's a few things to be aware of. First is my academic enrollment year. This is the year that I am going to take my first class as a dual credit student, so we'll say that it'll be this fall, or this year, 2017-18 school year. And my anticipated enrollment term would be the first term in which I plan to receive a grade from my teacher in dual credit. So we'll say I'm taking Writing 121 this fall, so I'll click Fall. These next questions, if you're taking a CTE college credit program, formerly professional technical, then you'll select yes, that is something you're doing. And it asks for your concentration area. If you take multiple classes, then go ahead and select the area that interests you the most. Doesn't mean that has to be the area that you're going to major in at college, but if I'm taking business, agriculture, and natural resources, I will say natural resources most interest me, so I'll select that. Questions 5, 6, and 7 are for students taking college choice, call cred, or Four Rivers. Ask your teacher if one of those apply to you if you do not know. Now I've filled in all the required information on the first page. You'll notice there is an asterisk or a star right next to the questions that do require an answer for you to submit. Not all questions do require an answer. Also, your social security number is extremely helpful to make sure that the transcript you receive is accurate, but it is not required. But your birthday is required. And notice the format for the birthday: 2 numbers for the month, 2 for the day, and then 4 for the year. Once I've submitted all the necessary information, I click Next Page. On page 2, you'll see your mailing address with some required information, your high school, the year that you plan to graduate. Have you applied to our school? We need to know that so that we make sure that your information is updated if you have previously, or that if you have not, then that you will be or issued a student ID number. And then once I'm done, down at the bottom I select Next Page. The final page will show you things that may be out of line. You'll notice that anything that looks accurate is in black and it just reflects your answer. Here my cell phone is not correct, and I can click on the link Edit this response, and it will show me, here it is. I put in this case, 1 extra number for my cell phone. Now I can go to Table of Contents, Review and Submit, and that'll take me back to the last page to again look at my information. Everything looks accurate. So I'm going to put in my email and click Submit Application. Once the application is submitted successfully, you'll see this at the very top: your information for TVCC Dual Credit Program has been successfully submitted. Thank you. If you don't receive this message, then you'll know that something was wrong in either the submittal process or in your application. Once your application for admission has been submitted, you should expect a letter from the admissions department within 7 to 10 business days. This letter will have your student ID number, your login, and your password, and should be kept in a safe place for your records.